Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Arc browser on Windows. Now if you haven't already downloaded Arc, go ahead and check out the video that we have uploaded along with this tutorial. Now the first thing is the Arc browser itself encourages you to do multitasking. So if you were to, say for example, go to a new tab right here, so let's just go ahead and click on this. This will open up the new tab right here, and then you can go ahead and search into whatever you want. So I'm just gonna search for Arc right here, and then this will open up. Now these will be the tabs which you have opened up. Now if you take a look up here, we have this folder where we can go ahead and drag this into that particular folder itself. So if you were to, say for example, want to accumulate all of your different searches or tabs into a certain folder, you can go ahead and do so. If you want to add a new folder, you can just go ahead and click on plus right here, and then we can just create a new folder. Say for example, we have something for, I don't know, for games or something. So go ahead and search for something. So say for example, I'll be taking a look at Twitch, and then I want to go ahead and put that into the folder itself. Now we have the Twitch inside the folder right here. Now if you take a look as well on this section, there is this thing called spaces. Now the space itself allows you to, it's very similar to a folder itself, but it can be something even more wider. So say for example, you have one space for, I don't know, something for work, and then you have another space. Let's go ahead and add a new space right here for something like I don't know, again, gaming or something. You can go ahead and choose the different profiles that you want, and then you can go ahead and choose the different themes that you want as well, and then just go ahead and create the space right there. Now all of the different spaces can be taken a look at by scrolling left and right, or you can go ahead and just click on these ones right here, so that it enables you to basically take a look at all of the different folders that you have. So say for example, we have one for streaming, another one for, you know, editing or something. So if you have multiple things to do, you can go ahead and do that. Now say for example, if we were to take a look at this, and then if we wanted to take a look at a particular person or something, and you know, you just wanted to research, say for example, this person right here, what we can actually do is we can do multitasking on this. So say for example, if I split this to the right there, and as you can see, we have now managed to add a kind of like a split tab section right here, where we can go ahead and just again drag it to wherever you want right there. So now this encourages you to do multitasking right there. And once again, just go ahead and explore all of the different ones right here. And when it comes to Arc as well, there is two main tabs right here at the very top where you can go ahead and edit, and that is pretty much it. So just go ahead and explore the Arc browser itself. It is entirely new, but once that you have all of the flow, then it will be an amazing browser. And there you go. I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.